knowing the Saginaw Valley students, they're already really outgoing, and every intern that I know who has come from Saginaw Valley has gotten here from going above and beyond and making themselves the obvious choice.
Of the Saginaw Valley students who have been here at Quicken Loans and the success, the results that we really look for from those internships and from those students are for the students who really put themselves out there, the students who go and job shadow different areas of the business, the students who go above and beyond, I guess is the best way to put it.
So on a daily basis, I support our university relation managers. So they're the people who go off to campus and connect with lovely students. And we're trying to hire top talent essentially from those different universities and bring them back to our company.
I first learned about Quicken Loans through a friend that did an internship at Quicken Loans. So it sounded really exciting and I wanted to learn more information. So I went to the career fairs on campus. I talked to the recruiters from Quicken Loans that came to SVSU. They gave me more information. I went on tours at Quicken Loans through our career services office. But it was really just being able to connect with everyone on our campus to learn more.
The values that our company has and the focus that we have in the development of our team members is so significant. So being a part of this company and the great things that we're doing within the business, within the industry, but really within the people that work here, I think is something that means a lot to me and I know means a lot to the business.
Quicken Loans has been a great platform for me in few ways, and number one thing that I would like to point out is the autonomy that I have. That I started with, my development started with SVSU about executing my decisions and knowing that my choices count. While I transitioned over to Quicken Loans, that hasn't changed. So I have been given an autonomous platform where I own my own experience.